Okay, we're being recorded. Hold on. Just a test. I'm gonna stop it again to see. Wait, salita ka, Hailey.
Huh?
Say something.
Yo, bro, it's me.
Asan ka?
No, you're murderer. I know you're murderer.
No,
Because you're
I
AFK.
know I'm not. I
Nobody was
know I'm not.
killing.
I know I'm not.
Hindi, murderer ka. I know.
Di, halika. Halika, legit. Promise.
Ay, hindi.
Asan
Sheriff
ka?
ka.
Dali.
You're sheriff.
Tignan mo na kasi.
You're sheriff. Fine, I'll trust you this time.
Tinuturo niya kasi. Tinuturo niya yung ano.
Ayaw niya mag-chat.
May nag may nagchat-chat sa'yo sa ano, sa chat box.
So,
Sabi niya, "Hey Le, friends? Friends? Friends?"
wala. No, there's nothing.
Sa akin meron.
Tiki, tiki, tiki. Oh my god, I lost my powers.
Oh my god. I knew it. I knew it.
Tiki, tiki. Ah, come here, bawal yan, bawal yan. No, you can't run away from me. Stop. Oh my god. Eh, don't. Oh, no! Stop. Ay,
Ooh, you got him.
okay. He's at the sewers. I know he's at. No. I don't know.
He's not at the sewers? You don't think so?
I think he is. He's hiding. I know. Okay.
Nasa sewers nga siya. Alam mo ba, nakadungaw lang
Oh
siya sa
my
sewers.
god! Why?
Oh!
So close.
Yet so far.
Freaking. Ah! You did it! Oh. No! Lord, please! Whatever. I wanted to lose anyway. Wait, I'm gonna get chocolate.
Di ba allergic ka din?
Yeah, but I like eating it. It's tasty.
May EpiPen ka no habang may ano, chocolate. Kada bite mo, sasaksakin mo sarili mo na ano. I-inject mo sarili mo ng EpiPen.
No, but like, it's not even that serious. Like,
Uy!
that's...
Uy! So, nagpapatayan na sila sa taas.
Oh my god! Revenge me!
Avenge you? Okay.
I was a sheriff.
I Mali. Tinulungan ko yung murder. Mali na baril ko. I think like i-edit ko to in like small bits of like nakakatawang moments and like things like that.
Every moment with me is funny.
Oh, just looking at you, it's funny. Dubai Chewy Cookie yarn.
Chewy cookie. Ano? Ano? I'm Ilocos chewy cookie.
Wala na yung babae kanina.
Yung the one pointing at the murder.
Ah,
Tiki, 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 tiki. Wait, where are you? I have a good hiding spot. Are you the murderer?
maybe. Oh my god,
Oh my god, you are!
I'm not.
Oh. Tiki, tiki, tiki.
Where's the gun?
Da-da-da. Wait, come here. Let's hide. I have a good hiding spot.
Come here! Come here!
It's unfair. Turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room could see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else.
Song restart.
Do it. Mine.
What happened? Anyari?
No, the sheriff shot the wrong person.
Baka siya ulit. Wala na yung nagtuturo eh. Asa na ba nagtuturo?
Yung beanie. Ay, yung babae.
Wait, ituturo niya ulit. Ay,
Finally!
ba't alam niya? Try nga natin.
Okay.
Like ano? Like dito. Wag tayo pumatay pag murder. Tignan natin kung tuturo niya pa rin.
Okay. Oo, tas kapag tinturo niya yung yung AFK, patayin natin siya.
Sige, barilin natin siya pag Mahirap dito pag pag sheriff yung AFK eh.
Oo. Yeah. Chicken jockey? The way.
Ano yun? Oops. Yung bacon.
Oh my god!
Bounce na ako sa... Check mo nga kung nasan yung gun. Baka kasi nasa AFK.
No one. I think it's, yung AFK.
Wait nating patayin niya. Hirap naman ito. Asan siya?
Hallway.
Uh-oh. Ooh. Wait! Wrong.
Bro, you're not pro.
You're wrong. Ito mo siya. Astig daw siya.
Wow. Cool kid.
Okay. Ay! Uy! May
Ay,
red.
murder ako. Do you want to, I won't kill anyone. Tapos tingnan natin to.
Asan siya? Sige, asan siya? Hanapin ko yung girl. Hanapin natin yung girl. Asan na yung girl? Ay,
Check
dito siya.
natin kung... Okay.
Si Beanie girl.
Beanie girl. Okay.
Wala, hindi niya tinuturo. Ba't ganun?
Maybe we have to wait. Who is it?
Ha? Ha?
Who is Kunwari, hindi mo alam.
Kunyari, di ko alam. Ito.
I think,
Dali, sinuturo niya. Sinuturo. Oh, patay mo na sila. Magkakaroon na siya ng trust issues. Tinuturo. Sure na sure siya eh. Tapos yung tinuturo niya pa, sheriff.
ang mukha niya si Johnny. Sa akin.
Tinuro niya yung ano. Tapos ninakaw niya yung gun.
Sama.
Nagtiwala siya sa ano.